Palantir was on a roll since its IPO earlier in 2020. It was up over like 300%. It went all the way up to touched $46 a share. Now it's back down around $30 a share. And people were wondering why it dropped about 30% in a week or two. And really, it's just they have a very high valuation as well. So they had a very high valuation. They're promising a lot. The company is a great company. They have large contracts with the military and the FDA. They have a large contract with them. They have contracts with large organizations aside from the government, and they're continuing to grow, continuing to secure these multi-year agreements that are worth hundreds of millions of dollars, a couple $1 billion sometimes. And what I really like about them is that they are a big data company that is really intertwined with the military and the U.S. government, but they're also getting contracts with countries overseas and large organizations now. So they are securing these contracts, which are multi-year agreements. Every time they get a new one, it's just adding recurring revenue onto the business. I like that. But recently, we have big news because Cathie Wood's ARK Invest just purchased another 5.2 million shares of Palantir. They've owned it for a while. But recently, the stock price has been skyrocketing, and they just bought in even more, causing Palantir's stock price to go up about 15%. Cathie Wood told CNBC the other day that she upped her bullish position in Palantir after hearing management's comments about aggressively investing in the future now so they could take advantage of all of the innovation in the years to come. Cathie Wood said that it's interesting to listen to Palantir's CEO. He was speaking their language. He was basically saying to investors that they're playing a massive space here, and they're going to invest aggressively now in order to capitalize on exponential changes that are taking place in the data place. And she said that that's music to ARK Invest ears. They love investing in companies we know that are disruptive, innovative, trying to take advantage of trends in the future. And Cathie Wood said for that reason, they really like Palantir, even at the current valuation, which is around a $50 billion valuation for the company. She thinks they're growing very rapidly. They're securing all of these government contracts, and it doesn't look like they're slowing down anytime soon. It looks like they're just getting started, and she just bought another 5.2 million shares of the stock. We do own this stock in our public group on Patreon. Our portfolio is up already 35% for 2020, and this stock was a part of that for a while.